Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now let's focus on all of these settings around. We start with this button here, this is the flash, so here we can turn off flash, turn on auto flash, and also turn on flash every time we take a picture. So for now I'm going to turn it off. And the next one here is the camera timer, so here we can change the delay of taking picture. As you can see, we can pick from 2, 5 or 10 seconds. I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show how it works, and now I'm going to take a picture. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay, so now I'm going to turn it off. The next one button here is the camera ratio, so here we can change it from 3 and 4 to 9 and 16, and also the 1 and 1, also to the full screen resolution. And also here we have access to the best possible quality of this camera, which is 32 megapixels with ratio 3 and 4. So I'm going to stay on the original one. The next one button here are the camera filters, so here we can change the modes, change the filters before we take a picture and make it more beautiful. And as you can see, this is how it works. And also we have this slider with the intensity, so by using this we can change the intensity of our filter. So for now I'm going back to the original one. And now by tapping on the screen like that, we get access to this slider, so here we can change the exposure compensation of our photo and make it more bright and more dark as we need. The other thing is that when we use these fingers, we can easily zoom like that and get closer to our object. And also by using these buttons here, we can change the lens from ultra wide, which is this one, to the wide. And also by tapping this a little bit longer, we get access to the zoom, to this slider. Sorry. Oh, and this is how it works. So we get access to this slider, and we can also pick these zooms here. Sorry, this is not that simple. And as you can see, this is how it works with the other zooms here. And now we go to this settings bar here. So here we can manage our modes of this device. So we get access also here to the more modes, more advanced. As you can see here, we have the Pro mode, panoramic mode, night, super slow motion, and hyperlapse. And now I'm going to go back to the original photo mode. And let's focus on this button here. When we tap on this, we get access to the more advanced camera settings. At the first place, we have the intelligent features. For here, we can focus on the scan QR codes. So by using this button, we can turn on and turn off the QR scanning. This is useful because when we have turned it on, we don't need any other app to scan QR codes. We can just do it by using the camera of this device. And now we go down to the useful features. The first one here is the HDR, so by using this we can make our picture just more beautiful, because HDR helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our photo. So I recommend you to keep turning it on, because this is really helpful. The next one here I want to show you are the grid lines. So here by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. And we go to the original camera to show you how it looks like. These are the grid lines, so it is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and help to improve our photographic skills. And also we can turn it off by using this button the second time. The next one here are the location tags, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and off and say the location of our picture. The important thing here is that to make it work, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to keep turning on the location of our device. So I'm going to take a picture now to show you how it works. And we go to the preview here. And now we go to this button here to get access to the details of our picture. And as you can see here, we have the location tag, so greetings from Krakow. And now I'm going to go back to these settings here. And now we go to the shooting methods. So here we can change the shooting methods. The first one here is the volume key. So by using our volume key here, we can take picture or record video. We can zoom and also get access to the system volume. So I'm going to pick the zoom to show you how it works. And now by clicking on this button here, we can easily use zoom and get closer to our subject, and also we can go back here. And now I'm going to go back to the shooting methods. And the other interesting thing here is the voice control. So we can get access to taking picture without touching the screen by saying the keywords, which are smile, cheese, capture or shoot, and record videos by saying record video. So I'm going to take a picture by using one of these. So for example, smile. And as you can see, we have to be pretty loud to do it, but it works like that. And also with shooting methods, we have the floating shooter button. So by turning it on and off by using this button, we can also take picture by just tapping on this button here. So it appears when we have to turn it on, and we can just do it like that. So we can change it and tapping on this anywhere we want to. And now we go to the other useful feature here, which is watermark. So here we can turn on and turn off the camera watermarks. And also by tapping this a little bit longer, we can turn on and customize our watermark. So Samsung triple camera here stays, but we can change the second line here. So shoot with my Galaxy, we can change, for example, to shoot by hard reset. And as you can see here, we have the preview also while we change it, but I'm going to take a picture to show you how it looks like. And we go to the preview, and as you can see here, we have the watermark Samsung triple camera and shot by hard reset. And after turn on all of these settings, we may want to go back to the original settings, so we can do it by just reset settings here, and camera settings will be reset, so agree. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.